In this video, we evaluate the integral of pi plus 4x cubed divided by 2 minus cos of mod x plus pi by 3 as x changed from minus pi by 3 to plus pi by 3. This question was asked in IIT JEE examination 2004. In fact, it was question number 14. Now, we'll be doing it using property of definite integrals. Particularly, we'll be using that fact that integral of minus a to a odd function is always 0. Integral of minus a to a any even function is 2 times 0 to a that even function. Now, can we write it as sum of even function and odd function? The answer is yes. This function is neither even nor odd, but we can write it as sum of even function and odd function. Let's do it. So this is equal to integral minus pi by 3 to plus pi by 3 pi by 2 minus cos of mod x plus pi by 3 dx plus integral minus pi by 3 to plus pi by 3 4x cubed divided by 2 minus cos of mod x plus pi by 3. Now we see that this function is odd and this is even. Now, as we said, integral of odd function is x changed from minus a to a is simply 0. So the second one is simply 0. How about the first one? That's equal to 2 times 0 to pi by 3. Pi is a constant, so we can write outside the integral, and this is equal to 1 by 2 minus cos of. You see that if x is positive, then mod x is same as x, so we can simply write it as cos of x plus pi by 3. We get a much simpler expression, right? Yes. Can we simplify it further? Yes, we can do it by assuming x plus pi by 3 equal to theta. So when x equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 3. When x equal to pi by 3, theta equal to 2 pi by 3. So this integral is simply equal to 2 pi times its x runs from 0 to pi by 3, theta changes from pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. So pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. How about dx? If we differentiate, we get dx d theta equal to 1. So dx is simply equal to d theta. So this is equal to 1 by 2 minus cos theta. Okay, this is a standard type and we can integrate it. Okay, how do we do it? We let t equal to tan theta by 2. We know that cos theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So we can write, okay, we should change the limit as well. When theta equal to pi by 3, that's 60 degree. Half of 60 degree is 30 degree, that's pi by 6. Once again, when theta equal to pi by 3, t equal to tan 30 degree, and that's equal to 1 by root 3. When theta equal to pi by 2 pi by 3, t equal to 2 pi by 3 is 120 degree and t equal to tan of 60 degree, and that's equal to root 3. So the given integral will change from 1 by root 3 to root 3, 1 by root 3 to root 3. And we can write cos theta as 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. How about d theta? You see that t equal to tan theta by 2. So dt equal to sec square theta by 2 times half d theta. So we can write d theta as 2 by 1 plus t square, because 1 plus tan square is sec square, 2 by 1 plus t square dt. we can write d theta is 2 by 1 plus t square dt. Okay, we can cancel 1 plus t square out. When we do so, we will be left out with integral as it is 1 by root 3 to root 3. 1 plus t square minus 1 plus t square. Oh, we forgot the 2. So this is equal to 2 plus 2t square minus 1 plus t square dt. We can take 2 common, and so the integral changes from 1 by root 3 to root 3 as it is. However, the denominator we can simplify it. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 3t square dt. Now we can take 3 common. So you get 1 by root 3 whole thing is square plus t square dt. Now we know that this is a standard integral, and integral of 1 by a square plus x square dx is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So t by 1 by root 3, that is root 3t. Change t from 1 by root 3 to root 3. We can cancel root 3 out, so this is 4 pi by root 3 tan inverse of 3 minus tan inverse of 1. Are we done? The answer is no. Lastly, we know that tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. So we use this formula to say that 4 pi by root 3 times tan inverse of 3 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 3 times 1. That's equal to 4 pi by root 3 times tan inverse of half.